this is what Claire does in her free time when she's bored being in the house. Make him do a figure 8. Figure 8. Circle. Small circle.
Elizabeth, you taught me this on Lady.
And then there's Charlie. Charlie! Leave the light still. See what he does. See what he does with the light still.